Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Craving something spicy, cheesy and super satisfying? Today I am making a Paneer Tikka sandwich. This recipe is super simple. You don't need to prepare a Paneer Tikka separately and there is no complicated process. We will use simple sandwich bread, make an easy filling and everything will be done in just one pan. You don't even need a grill toaster. You can easily grill it on a regular pan. So let's see how to make this easy paneer tikka sandwich. Let's make the spice marinade. In a plate, add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix the oil and chili powder well. This helps bring out a beautiful red color in the marinade. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoon of thick curd or yogurt, and add salt to taste. Mix everything nicely. This is our basic spiced marinade. All the authentic flavor comes from here. As you can see, I have mixed everything nicely. Now our tikka marinade is ready. Keep it aside. Now let's prepare the sandwich filling. Heat a pan on high flame. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of oil so the butter doesn't burn. Once the butter melts, add finely chopped 1 large onion. Keep the flame on medium and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until they turn slightly soft. Now add finely chopped 1 medium capsicum and cook for 1 minute. Then add 200 grams of paneer. I have cut it into small cubes. Mix everything well for 1 minute. Now add the spice marinade and mix gently. Don't worry if the paneer breaks. It's going inside the sandwich anyway. Cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, taste and check the salt. If needed, add some. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. The paneer filling is ready. Turn off the stove and let the filling cool completely. The filling has cooled down. Now transfer it to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Mix everything together. Adding mayonnaise gives it a nice creamy texture. If you don't want to add mayonnaise, it's completely optional. We can use the filling as it is to make the sandwich. I have mixed everything well. Now keep it aside. Now take 2 slices of bread. Apply softened butter evenly on both slices. Now add 2 spoons of paneer filling to 1 slice of bread and spread it nicely. Place a cheese slice on top. It's totally optional, but it makes the sandwich extra tasty. Now close the sandwich with the other bread slice. So I'm going to grill the sandwich on a grill pan. Add a little butter to the grill pan. You can use the regular tawa as well. Place the sandwich on the pan. Keep the heat on medium and grill for 1 to 2 minutes until nice and crisp. Place a plate on top and press lightly so it turns crisp and golden. Apply some butter on top of the sandwich. Flip the sandwich once it's turned golden brown color on one side. Once the sandwich has turned to a nice golden brown color on both sides, remove the sandwich from the pan. Serve the paneer tikka sandwich while it's still hot. The aroma is just amazing. Look at that beautiful golden crust and creamy, flavorful filling inside. This paneer tikka sandwich is super easy, super tasty and perfect for any time of the day. So there you go, here is a delicious grilled paneer tikka sandwich that you can enjoy with some nice green chutney or ketchup and fries by the side. This also makes for a great evening snack. So do try and enjoy this delicious paneer tikka sandwich and share with your family and friends. So for more exciting recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.